Hey guys, welcome to Al Spence's Custom Car Mono Garage Gulf Coast. Al Spence here. Hey, want to do a real quick one on that 70 Dodge Super B. Fellas, I wanted to do an update on it as I went, because I did the interior up on this. I got pictures of it on Google Plus. Google Plus up there if you want to search for it. But I put NOS bottles in this, cabled it up, got the switch and everything on it, the pull lever. This is that 70 Super B kit. You can see I did a vinyl top on her. I think that vinyl top came out looking pretty fine. I'll let y'all be the judge on that. I got the classic Dragway 42. They used to be the track where my pop ran at a lot. Matter of fact, he set his national record holder there with a 68, so many years ago. This is the King Kong. This car actually ran on the East Coast. Currently not running. Junkyard bound. I did see some old pictures of it. It's pretty much trashed. But I wanted to do something because I like to build replica cars of actual cars that ran. So this is kind of like a Pro Street Outlaw type build, open headers. She tubbed out. Came out pretty nice. Got the classic Kragers on it. I like them Kragers. You can see here I built a tack on it. I don't think you can see the knots inside there, fellas. Let me try this one. Let's get crazy. No, you gotta believe me though, there's NOS bottles back here. You can see the pictures of it. Anyways, I gotta kind of make this a quick one, guys. My grandson starts school tomorrow, and that little guy don't want to go kindergarten. Most kids are excited. No, ain't no way. He wants to stay home with Papa. He said we can go fishing or something. Blackening the grill like I normally do. Guys, I used a Grump Lump hood scoop on this. I got two of them. I'm going to do a 69 Camaro for a guy, so I'll probably do a video when I start that. But, big old 426 Hemi here. All wired up. Got her going. Got your MSD. Fuel pumps over here, cabled in. Fuel lines off both carbs. There is a linkage spring in here right there if you can see it. But, made a roll cage for it. It's got photo etched seat belts as always, wood grain steering wheel, and that fine looking vinyl top. Might do a video, how-to video on how I do my vinyl tops. If anybody's interested, pop it down in the comments. Give me a holler and maybe I can put it together. Guys, the front end seems like it's up high on this, but it's actually pretty level. I think the big tub slicks on the back makes it appear. When I try to put it down much further, and really drop that front end, man, them carburetors came halfway up over the windshield. I don't think they make a hood scoop that would have worked. So I had to kind of tame it down a little. But it don't look bad. I think it's kind of wicked looking. I like it better than the carbs just sticking up out of the hood. You know, I mean, it rains in them and everything else. I don't know, unless you keep it in the garage. I guess I should consider it. I like the back end of these. That's just cool looking. How Mopar Chrysler did the tail lights on it with the runners on each side. But that's her, 70. Couldn't figure out what to do this car. It's hard finding a 70 that anybody drag raced with any badging or, namesake on it. So I guess I was fortunate enough to find this King Kong one. I had them decals made by a fella out in California. Anyways, that's her. Like I said, I gotta kind of hold this down, make her quick. I wake my mom up, man. She'll be up all night, dogs, and Lord have mercy, I've been up the last couple of nights. But it sure beats having her in a home. And Lord, man, you worry about them there. I've seen some horror stories down here in Florida. But that's her. Let me do an update real quick on what's on my bench. I like that Pappy says. I like that cat. You guys ought to look him up. He just has this Wednesday what's on your bench thing, and that's pretty cool. Anyways, let me show you what's on my bench coming up. This is a commission build. I'm going to do a kit review on this when I get my new one. I got this kit and got kind of excited and started right into it. And didn't get a chance to do a kit review. How you say that, guys? Mobulus by Model King. There it is. Farmer, Arnie Burnswick's Comet. It's a fine kit, guys. Absolutely fine. It's just like some of their other kits they put out, if you're familiar. That body is clean. Clean. Ain't got a mold line or there's no flashing on these parts. It's got the same kind of decals in the California Flash and the other kits. It's got the big fold out, real fine looking instruction sheet, all in color with color photos and stuff. But yeah, that's it. I told a buddy, I said, well, I can't. I already started. I got quite a bit painted. I didn't want to tell him, but hey, I already got the body painted. First, you can see it come out clean. It's a fine kit. Usually, you get them mold lines on the mold AMT, especially those monograms, back here where the C-pillars comes down. You always got a mold line here and back up in here, and you get a seam that runs down through it. This one, clean as a pin. Finally, got the dual hood scoop up here for that big 427 gonna come out. But yeah, so I didn't want to depress. I don't want to show no more of the parts. I like to surprise. These guys are a regular customer of mine. I don't know how many cars he's got of mine. I probably built 20, 25 of them for him, probably something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna put a few more cars up on eBay and sell. I've sold a few of them last week. Needed some funds. School starting for the grandkid, and I like to always add on and build other kits. Here's a cool setup. Hang on. That's my Super Stock magazine car. That was featured in Scale Auto magazine, whatever that's called, from the Southland show down there. I got these little pipe fittings here. And here, slide these down in the tubes I put in here for it. And they stand up if I monkey with it, and you can prop the hood up on here. Displays it with the hood up like Chrysler used to do with the drag strips. Kind of cool looking when you do it. Anyways, that was, if you haven't seen that one, what a sweet build. I like it. These decals are made for me. I can't find them anymore. Fellers, I think he's out of business on it. Probably got too old, couldn't see him like me. My wife drove me to the eye doctor the other day. Hey, hell, I didn't know. I walked in and ordered a submarine sandwich. I ordered the eye doctor. Yeah, this one was pretty sweet, but it looks pretty cool sitting with that King Kong. A couple of big Mopars getting ready to run off on Sunday. Again, you guys, just a little flash. Wanted to show you a little more eye candy there. Look, you guys, you take care of one another. You need anything, any tips, tricks, help, give me a holler if I can. Like, subscribe to me, leave the comments. I guess it helps us somehow. Somehow or another, if you hit that little thumbs up thing or leave a comment. I don't know how it works, but they tell me it does. Share my videos, help yourself, pass it on to a friend, have a grin. And look, man, I'll do an update on this Comet when I get the engine built, chassis maybe something a little. I'll try to remember to do a video a little earlier, guys, before I actually button the car body up on it where you can see inside better. It's, you know, like I said, this here is pretty cool with the NOS bottles in it, the photo etch seat belts, and big tack. Got a mean 4-speed in it. But that's it, okay? Hey, you guys have a good one. Again, Alan Spence here for Gulf Coast Custom Models. Pass around, share them with a friend, fellas. Talk to you guys later. Holler at me. Bye-bye.